Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide multiple payment gateway for WooCommerce product using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. So scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now on left side you see product, so open all product. So we are going to find out product ID, and then you see WooCommerce. Now you see setting, open it. So we are going to find out payment gateway ID. Now create custom snipper section, open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see the targeted product IDs. Now you see array, so you can add multiple product ID here. Now go to product page, scroll down, hover on product, you see ID 2202. Now back to edit code. Now write here 2202. Now back to product page. Now you see 2041 when we hover on product. Now back to edit code, comma 2041. So in this way you can add multiple product ID, and scroll down. You see payment gateway. So this is payment gateway ID. Direct bank transfer BACS. This is cash on delivery payment gateway ID. So this is PayPal payment gateway ID. If you want to add more payment gateway, copy this and now paste if condition. Now Stripe. Now add Stripe payment gateway ID like this. Now go to WooCommerce setting, and then you see payment, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see cash on delivery check payment, so click on any payment gateway. Now in URL you see section is equal to COD, so COD payment gateway ID. Now back to edit code. Now we added direct bank transfer, cash on delivery, PayPal, Stripe. So you can add multiple product IDs and multiple payment gateway IDs. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. So we added product ID this. Now view product. Now click on add to cart. Now click on view cart. Now scroll down, click on proceed to checkout. Again scroll down, click on continue. Again click on continue. Now we are in review and payment section. Now you see check payment and PayPal payment gateway enabled for this product, cash on delivery and direct bank transfer payment gateway disabled for this product. Now back to edit code. So you can add payment gateway IDs according to your requirement, and you can add multiple product IDs, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.